In this video, we're going to find the geometric means between 2.25 as a sub 1. We see here a sub 1, our first term, and 576, which we see if this is our first term, then we have our second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. So this is a sub 5, where n is going to be equal to 5, or our last term there. So we're just going to use our explicit formula here in order to solve for r. We're not sure what r is, but if we can figure out what r is, then we can just apply it to the first term and continue to apply it to solve for a sub 2, 3, and 4. So we'll set up our formula. A sub n is going to be 576 is equal to, so that's our last term, our first term is 2.25 times the common ratio, which we're not sure what it is, raised to the n minus 1, or 5 minus 1. And now we're just going to solve for r. So we'll take care of the parentheses first. 576 is equal to 2.25 times r raised to the fourth. And then in order to isolate r, we want to get at r, we've got to get rid of this 2.25. We see that we're multiplying, so the inverse operation is to divide. So we'll divide both sides by 2.25. And when we divide 576 by 2.25, and we would divide all of this by 2.25, these are going to cancel, giving me r to the fourth power, and 576 divided by 2.25 is 256. Now, in order to figure out, well, what is r, we need to figure out what is the inverse operation of raising something to the fourth power. Well, it's to take the fourth root. The fourth root of r to the fourth is just going to be r, and the fourth root of 256, what times itself 4 times, so what times what times what times what equals 256, and that is 4. 4 to the fourth power is equal to 256. So we get r is equal to 4, and we're going to apply that up here. So we would say 2.25 times 4 is equal to 9 for a sub 2. Then 9 times 4 is 36 for a sub 3, and 36 times 4 is 144. And then if we were to multiply that by 4, we would get 576.